Alright, so today is day 2 of our Matisse paper cutout collage, and today we are focusing on organic shapes. Last time we worked with our geometric shapes, those shapes with names and a certain number of sides. Now we are working with our organic or natural or free-form shapes that are shapes that we see out in nature, shapes that we don't have exact names to or an exact number of sides. Ones that are just free-flowing. There's usually a lot of curves in these shapes, and we will start to cut them out and then place them around our Christmas tree. And the first shape that you have made already is your snowflake, one of the most awesome organic shapes that we can possibly have, because we know that no two snowflakes are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and place my snowflake on my paper where I would like it to go, and then I will start to cut out some more of my organic or free-form shapes. There's no wrong way to do this. This is where we are drawing with our scissors, so have some fun. A couple of simple ideas for you, but remember this is where the creative part of our project stems from. But a couple of simple things that you could do if you would like is a spiral. And to make a spiral, you just cut in circles. But when you get to the end of your circle, instead of finishing it here, you go a little bit inside of where you had cut before. And you just keep kind of going in and in and in to create this spiral shape. And to finish it off, you would just end like that, and then you might go back and round off. If you had a square piece of paper, you might need to round off the edges like this. And then when you glue this on, you can glue on parts of this shape, or you could just glue on one piece and kind of have it coming out of your project. That's kind of up to you, but that is how you can make a spiral and decide where that goes on your paper. One other thing that you can do is use your scraps from when you cut out your snowflake. Use your little scraps of paper from that. I think that some of these are the coolest shapes that you can get, and you don't even have to try very hard to get them. So these are scraps cut off from my snowflake, and they look like little birds, which is very much an organic shape. We know that people and animals are organic. So I am going to be using those scraps for some of my organic shapes, and then start to decide where they might go on my Matisse collage. Alright, so now I have placed all of my organic shapes. Notice how I use my scraps from my Christmas tree yet for a couple more white organic shapes, even more scraps as the little ornaments on my tree. And then these red ones are from the scraps of my snowflake. I have placed them all. Now I will be gluing them down with my glue bottle one last time using dot, dot, not a lot. And that should be your Matisse shape collage. Enjoy!